this is my day when having my hair transplant surgery. This is before and this is after. Actually, this is my biggest insecurities, yung hairline ko, kasi hindi nagmamatch yung age ko sa face ko dahil nga sa hairline ko. Pero dahil sa Strand Hair Restoration and Skin Clinic, ayan na, nagawa na yung hair ko. I mean, nataniman na. Yan. Bukas is by wash day. Hugasan nila yan. Kasi kahapon doon nangyari. So, 3 days kailangan i-shampoo nila para mawala yung redness tsaka yung mga pula-pula. I mean, yung mga, parang dry skin. Update ko kayo, guys!